Well, News 13's Ethan Logue is at the Gulf County Emergency Operations Center this morning, speaking with county officials on how people can stay safe and prepared.
That's right. Good morning, Ethan.
Good morning, guys. And again, that's right, Gulf County now under a tropical storm warning, so we want to give you the most updated information about areas that need to evacuate, as well as just general information that you need to know and to be prepared for when the hurricane hits tomorrow. So again, helping me do that is Matt Herring, the Gulf County Emergency Management Director. So Matt, first and foremost, what areas in Gulf County are under mandatory evacuations?
So currently, the county issued yesterday a voluntary evacuation for Indian Pass and low-lying areas. We have a mandatory evacuation in place for all recreational vehicles in our tourist corridor, which is Cape San Blas, Indian Pass, Simmons Bayou, Highland View, and St. Joe Beach.
Now, if anything changes and more areas need to be mandatorily evacuated, how can people learn that information and stay up to date on any news that changes throughout the day?
The best way is to follow our Facebook page, Gulf County Emergency Management, or sign up on Alert Gulf, which you can do on the Gulf County website, and you'll get notifications via text or a phone call.
Now, when people in Gulf County go to bed tonight, what should they really have prepared and ready for tomorrow if they haven't already evacuated?
So tomorrow, everyone should be prepared with water, food, any prescriptions, anything they need in case they lose power. We could have wind gusts up to 70, 75 miles an hour based on the latest forecast and track. So everybody needs to be hunkered down and have what they need at home, water and food, to get them through a couple days if they're without power.
Now, if they have to shelter in place and they don't evacuate, what should they really prepare for and anticipate in the coming days?
They should anticipate some wind if they're in a coastal area. Indian Pass is projected to have 3 to 4, possibly 6 foot of storm surge, 1 to 3 foot in other coastal areas. They should expect probably 4 to 5 inches of rain.
So a lot to expect, a lot to be prepared for tomorrow. So make sure you get out today, get all that stuff, be prepared for when the hurricane hits tomorrow. And again, throughout the morning, we'll be providing as much up-to-date information as possible here in Gulf County about any changes in the weather as well as in plans. Guys?